Welcome to Vine Grove Elementary.
Hello, I'm Mr. Lundy. I'm from Vine Grove Elementary School. We're excited to have a new year. We're here at an open house. We have tons of people here. We're looking forward to the start. We got a lot of good things going here, a lot of great things happening. Just welcome to Vine Grove.
Hey, Terry Morgan here. Welcome to the 2024-2025 school year. Excited to kick this year off with all of our open houses. We're here at Vine Grove Elementary welcoming many new families. I want to welcome all of you to our school district. It is a phenomenal school district. Your children will have a variety of opportunities and thrive to succeed. Want to let parents know, please go onto the parent portal, fill out all the information online. This will allow you throughout the year to check on your child's progress and be able to look at any information. And it'll definitely help out our teachers. So if you'll go on and do that, we know this will be the great start to a good school year.
Hi, I'm Teresa Ovison. I am the Family Resource Coordinator at Vine Grove Elementary School, and for the first time ever, Vine Grove Elementary has their own Family Resource Coordinator and office here at the school. So I will be here full-time starting this year, and I'm so excited about it. Still providing all the same services and basic needs and help in any way that we can, but excited to be here full-time this year.
These parents here are signing on to that. They're updating any of their information about address, how to contact. It's really important for all parents, guardians, grandparents to sign on to the parent portal. It really makes it easier for you to be able to check your child's grades, attendance, all the great things going on in the classrooms. And so just make sure you go to your school and sign on to the parent portal today.
Hi, I'm Bethany Vaughn. This is Vine Grove Elementary, and Miss Patterson is the media specialist here, and we can't wait to have you coming in and checking out books.
Hi, my name is Sydney Taylor. I'm the music teacher here at Vine Grove Elementary, and we are so excited for this new school year and to get to spend time with our parents and students tonight. And we've got a whole thing of free books if you want to come check it out. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Counselor Erin Mabe, and I am signing up our parents for ones that would like to volunteer. We're looking for moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, whoever wants to come help with our kiddos, reading books and helping out wherever they are needed. So they can go online and to complete the background check and the $10 processing fee that is only every 5 years now.
Hi, I'm Amanda Wiltrott. I'm the speech therapist at Vine Grove Elementary. I'm here handing out car tags tonight for those that need pickup. I'm looking forward to a great school year.
Hello, I'm Gretchen Harden, North End Coordinator for Hardin County Schools. We are out here at all the open houses informing our parents and students when buses will arrive at and what stops to be at. If you have any questions, you can always call the bus garage to reach somebody. We always want our parents to be informed and our students to be aware. All other drivers, we want you to be aware that classes for Hardin County Schools does start August the 7th, bright and early in the morning. Please be aware our buses will be on the road with their flashing lights, and it does mean stop. It is not a suggestion. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Coach Aaron with Radcliffe's Victory Martial Arts. We have a after-school program and evening martial arts, and we're just giving the opportunity for the kids to come and do some awesome after-school and evening martial arts classes.
Great, and where are you located?
2390 Dixie Avenue. We're behind Dollar General and the new Ace Hardware store.
This is Coach Cape, Vine Grove Elementary. Last year we started a program for 1st through 3rd basketball here at Vine Grove. We're going to do it again this year. We had about 60 kids do it last year. We've got a lot of kids signed up again this year, so it's really exciting to get kids into some sports at an early age. It's not super serious. It's very relaxed, very under control. We get kids in for about 6 weeks, teach them the skills, let them play some games so they can move on if they would like to.
Looks like that the Vine Grove have an Amazon wish list, and want to know if you'd be willing to help and spoil staff this year. Go online for the Vine Grove Elementary School Amazon wish list.
Hello, I'm Ashley Cockrell, principal of Vine Grove Elementary. Tonight we have had a fantastic turnout to our open house. Last year we received our Purple Star Award for our military family, so this year I decided to paint a new mural I didn't paint it. However, Miss Lori James has painted police officers and military to support our military families. We cannot wait to get this year started.
I'm Eli Yates, and Vine Grove Elementary is the best school ever.